In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gantt chart in Excel step by step. This is perfect for project management, tracking timelines, and organizing tasks efficiently. First, you need to calculate the task duration. Go to your duration column, type equals, select the end date, subtract the start date, and press enter. Then simply drag the formula down to apply it to all rows. Next, select your Start Date column. Go to Insert, click on Recommended Charts, then switch to All Charts. Choose Bar Chart and select Stacked Bar. Click OK. Now, move the chart aside, right-click on it, and select Select Data. Click Add, name the series Duration, and then select all the duration values. After that, click Edit under Horizontal Axis Labels and select your task names or labels. Press OK to apply everything. To make it look like a proper Gantt chart, right-click on the start bars, go to Fill, and choose No Fill. Now, let's fix the timeline. Copy your first start date and last end date into empty cells. Change their format to General. Then, right-click the horizontal axis, go to Format Axis, and set the minimum and maximum values using those dates. Finally, to reorder tasks, right-click the vertical axis, go to Format Axis, and enable Categories in Reverse Order. And that's it. You've successfully created a Gantt chart in Excel for project tracking and scheduling.